this is so cool. Here we go. Here's our home for the next 7 days. Oops, excuse me. 310, 14, 310. They're next door to us. Whoa.
Enough water?
This is cool.
This is great. This is nice.
I like that.
That's really cool. Full room tour here in just a moment, but this is awesome. So, desk, mirror, couch, bed. Yeah, we'll do that in a second. And then looks like we're on the top row of balconies too. Balcony looks pretty big. It is. Yeesh. This is awesome. We got a nice view of Miami. Took a little bit of a breather inside the room. Now we're gonna go head around, walk around. We're gonna check out Surfside for the first time. Here we go. Oh, this is so cool. That's awesome. Got all the Surfside balconies there. Water park up there. On the Oasis class is that we have a upper part of it, sort of, and then a lower part. So right below where I'm standing now is Playmakers, which is like the sports bar that we see on all the other ships. And it is right down there. It looks like there's a shop up there and then into Central Park. Which is one of the biggest attractions here, or not attractions, but biggest points here on Icon is we have the Pearl right here. Pretty awesome. Look down on the Promenade. Anyways, we came over this way to check out the Pearl Cafe.
It's now as easy as checking in at your safety center station, which is already open with a food waiting period. You'll find.
Here we go. We're going to take our walk down the Pearl. Looks like they have our highly anticipated ship models. For those who don't know, I have well over 80 of these, including all but like 5 royal ships, so glad to see they have these. Alright, gift shops aren't open yet, but they do have the Been There series of the coffee mugs from Starbucks. I went ahead and grabbed those for me and Justin, so good stuff. Check out Central Park. So it's about 2 o'clock. That means it's time for a cookie. Everybody got cookies from Park Cafe and water. Back in the room for another breather. It is 2:30 right now. We have 1 hour till Sailaway's for Carnival Horizon. We'll do all the ship spotting that we normally do, that we like to do here on the channel. Watch all the ships leave today. We have the Carnival Horizon, Holland America Lines, Zandam, the MSC Seascape, and then us, the Icon of the Seas. We should be last, or the Seascape that is right behind us should be last. So we'll definitely at least get the Horizon and most likely the Zandam as well. So excited for that. Anyways, I'll see you guys in just a little bit as we start getting ready for Sailaway's. Alright, and speaking of being almost ready for our Sailaway's and our departures, we just finished up fueling. This is the Clean Canaveral is the name of this barge. It is the same one, fun fact for anybody who actually cares. This is the same fuel barge that fuels up the Disney Wish in Port Canaveral. Good stuff. Anyways, that's about all. So, still just hanging around for a while. Traffic, as always, looks very lovely here in Miami. Good stuff. Looks like we're in GTA today, boys. Cops are schmoovin' it. Gotta be a big old bust going on. There's 3 more police cars. They're all stopped down there. Gotta love another day in Vice City. For those who get the GTA reference. Alright, we are heading upstairs to the top deck to go ahead and get ready for some Sailaway's. Carnival Horizon should be underway here pretty shortly.